Hello, my name is Eli Bogo. This presentation is titled AI in Education. Throughout this presentation, I will go over how AI has impacted the education industry and how it's expected to continue to impact the industry going forward. This presentation will be based on my business consulting report, AI in Education. It will provide a brief summary of all the points that was captured in my consulting report. To start, I would like to explain how AI is transforming education across all levels. Institutions are adopting AI to improve learning outcomes, reduce administrative burdens, and support diverse learners. Throughout this presentation, I will summarize the key findings of my business consulting report by examining current applications, future trends, challenges, and strategic opportunities. There is a growing demand for personalized learning experiences, and the pressure is on educators to manage complex workloads. The burst of hybrid and online learning environments have accelerated AI adoption. AI literacy is becoming essential for workforce readiness. Most jobs that you will apply to today will require some type of AI background or experience using AI tools. And as such, teachers need to prepare students for an AI-driven workforce. Adaptive learning platforms, intelligent tutoring, NLP tools, predictive analytics, accessibility tools. These are all major application areas to which AI is impacting. Adaptive learning platforms personalize instruction. Intelligent tutoring systems provide real-time support, and how NLP tools improve writing and language learning. Predictive analytics leads to higher student success and retention by examining each student individually and seeing what their needs are and how to bolster them. Disabled students are learning more and faster through accessibility tools such as captioning, translation, speech to text, and other tools that help bridge the gap for learning. AI adoption is widespread across major tech companies. Just to name a couple, Google, Microsoft, IBM, these are all AI-enhanced classroom tools. Education tech platforms, startups, and universities, they all utilize AI in order to help bolster learning. Each group contributes to innovation, from classroom tools to personalized learning platforms and automated grading systems. Future AI systems will be more advanced, multimodal, and emotionally aware. AI-generated curriculum will adapt automatically to students' needs. AI-enhanced virtual reality will create immersive learning experiences that will stimulate real-world environments. What will this lead to? It will lead to a more immersive experience for each individual student, leading to a higher and faster rate of learning. But to this, there are some challenges and risks. AI adoption comes with a lot of serious challenges. Data privacy concerns and regulatory compliance is a big issue. Many parents may feel reluctant to give out students' personal data, which could help with their learning because of its concerns on privacy. Algorithmic bias in grading and predictive analytics. As AI is a computer, it tends to work strictly off of algorithms without any human input. This leads to just looking at numbers instead of looking at the student themselves, which could overlook the individual needs of certain students emotionally. Workforce displacement and shifting educator roles. AI, while is a useful tool, should not overtake the place of a teacher. There is already a shortage in teachers throughout the nation, and because of AI, universities, high schools, or corporations may feel it necessary to save costs to cut down on the roles of teachers and educators, which is a major risk going forward. Technical limitations and infrastructure gaps. AI, while a useful tool, requires a major infrastructure to generate power and a database where AI knowledge can be stored. This can lead to people being displaced or moved from their homes in order to build AI infrastructure. There are some opportunities, however, for institutions through AI. Improved operational efficiency through automation. AI can deliver a lot of positive outcomes. It personalizes, enhances, it personalizes and enhances learning outcomes. Digital learning models expand institutional reach. This emphasizes that AI can strengthen competitiveness and innovation through analytics. Through the different digital through the different digital modes that AI uses to interact with students, it gathers data, helping to see each student individually, while a teacher doesn't have that bandwidth to deal with each student individually for multiple hours at a time. Through this, AI gets the opportunity that many teachers simply cannot withstand and is able to further the education of each individual student. What are my strategic recommendations for the AI for the education industry when it comes to AI? Invest in educator training for AI integration. This means that teaching students how to interact with AI and use AI to their advantage is only part of the equation. Another part is teaching the educator because they're the ones that have to pass on that knowledge to students. So for the most efficient outcome, invest in educator training so that they may pass on that knowledge to students. 2. Implement ethical AI frameworks and governance. While AI is a useful tool, once again, it can be misused, leading to students not learning fundamental knowledge that is needed in the workforce and instead turning to AI for simple tasks. This can lead to a lack of knowledge in certain areas for students, which would end up with a lack of knowledge in society overall. 3. Strengthen data infrastructure and security. As mentioned before, data privacy is a major concern for parents and for educators. Students don't want certain information being public. So moving forward, it would be a very wise thing to do to strengthen the data infrastructure and security. So there is less worry about the privacy of students and educators. 4. Build partnerships with education tech and AI vendors. Through partnerships, there is a closer relationship which leads to more feedback from students directly to education technology and AI vendors. Through this, they are able to develop the technology quicker and more efficiently, leading to a better education process. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation. My name is Eli Bogle from the J. Matt Robinson College of Business at Georgia State University. Thank you.